Hello. Let me check if my recording. Okay, I'm recording. Hello, we're gonna be playing bedwars. I don't have that much kids, so let me check. Yeah, I don't know good kids. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna use this kid for now. I'm gonna pick a classic, but yeah, cause it's easier. Cause everyone, all the tryhards play Lucky Block and they get like rage blades every 2 seconds. So, yeah. Buzz up. Buzz up. Buzz up. Buzz up. Buzz up. I don't know if I can hear good. Let me turn up my volume. Okay, and let's do the max. If you want to make your FOV bigger, go to settings, and then go to 100 like that, like I do. If you want to do that, you don't have to. I'm not gonna type in shit because I don't feel like it. Let me just. I know you can speed bridge on mobile. Oh my god. Okay, so my target's over there. And on the no! We got the kill. Let's go, let me see. Leaderboard, I got the kill. But man, camping. I think he got some dumb name. G-Dog G. Okay, looks like he wants to rush. So that don't matter if we upgrade the gen. I do not care if we upgrade the gen. I do need armor though. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to another base. Like 1 block left. No, what am I doing? Oh my god. I got the kill though. Bro, Sonic killed me. Sonic Speed James killed me. Buzzbot. How do you mark on mobile? Honestly. I don't know if my teammates will get some, but I'm gonna go get blue. Bro, stop, phone. Right here. He's done for, done for. Easy kill. Come on, boy. You ain't good. Wanna be tanker. I'm gonna play this full match, so it might be a long video, or I might cut some out. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh, if he goes for me, I'm done for. But if I'm on my base, he won't get us. Okay, then I have to buy one teleport. Like, boy, give me some iron. So I'm gonna kill my bounty. East bed. I should put /team if I ever need a type. Auto cracked. Maybe buy some. That means I do like stun damage. I'll be right back. In big. If you don't know why I was there, it's because you can't hit anyone. If you ever seen that. Oh, some cheaters. I'll take that. Or get a bed. Let's go for blue. I'm gonna breeze it in and teleport out. I'm gonna go. Someone computer. I sent someone. Let's go. Like, boy, come help me rush. Oh, bro, for real. Got knocked back 1 million. Oh my god, I'm sorry if I'm lagging or anything that happens while I'm playing. Okay, so we're like 8 minutes in the video or 10. Okay, and one bed is already done today. Bro, 8, it feels so much longer than 8 minutes if you guys are watching this. You guys can tell me too. It is or is it not. No! Kill it, kill her! Let's go, I got her, I got it. No, my generator. I'm gonna do that. Okay, and I'm placing my bone in a good spot. Bow. That blocks the emerald. Okay, so there's something. I don't know why. I'm gonna die with all this stuff. Oh my god. I just got it. I hate my phone so bad. I picked it up. Okay. Sometimes. Why isn't it working, bro? Space bridge. Oh my god. It's on my partner's fault. So you guys have to keep looking at that. It's so bad and annoying. Honestly, if you guys don't hear me, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go end this, dude. Oh my god, stop. Why are you blocking me off, bro? We're working as a team. Honestly, you guys were like, oh my god, Rager. But still, you guys would understand why. It wouldn't be like the same. Love you. I did like nothing, but thanks for watching, bro. Thanks. If you can please like the video, or if you liked it, you can subscribe.